Hey, so what is up, guys? Thank you so much for joining us yet again on Big D. This video is going to be just a mashup of a couple of our jobs from this past week, so that way we can give you an idea of how crazy it truly gets around here. So thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video.
Man, that was a crazy job. We had 9 3070 man doors, one 4-foot by 4-foot window opening. We got it done in one day. The customer was very happy. Couldn't be more pleased that we got it done. How's it going, Bubba?
Alright, so we got those core holes knocked out. We just used the hand drill, plunged them down. Kyle did a really great job doing that. So from doing that, we went over to an old house in Geneva, Florida, right near the shop. They're doing a full repipe over there. So Kyle was on the slab saw, I was using the hand saw. We got it knocked out. That was 80 square feet, cut, pop, and remove, and that was definitely a cool job to do.
That full repipe by the shop got a little crazy, so we ended up hitting 5 different footers. We had to cut them down to 13-14 inches in depth and pop it all out.
So the next job that I actually worked on later in that week is I had one driveway after another for like maybe 10-15 houses. I just had to use the slab saw, cut the entire length of it, so that way the site development crew can come back, lay their pipe, do whatever they had to do. Either way, I did what I needed to do. Now Kyle, what was the last job to round off that week? 17-foot wide, 7-foot tall door openings. Give them a little bit of insight on that job.
So the door opening at the church was cut only. We had to dice it up. They wanted it in pretty small pieces. I think we did 2x3s. That way that they could remove it easy. Basically just had to cut the perimeters, make sure it was all clean.
And also you can see in one of the clips, I'm not specifically doing layout, but what I'm doing is I'm marking every 2 feet for us to make it easier for our line, for us to follow up. That way we can keep it nice and consistent like the customer requested. He wanted small pieces like Kyle just said. So that's not us doing layout, that's just helping us find a line to cut on to make it easier. We do whatever we can to make our job easier. That only makes sense, right? So Kyle, this was a good video, good week. I know we got another one coming out real soon. Any final thoughts for them?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep it Big D.